Abigail Smith demonstration speech. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly in a baseball bat. John Crampner says, peanut butter as we know it today first got its rise in the American Midwest in the 1890s. And over a century later, it's still considered a staple in the American home. I've eaten peanut butter for as long as I can remember, whether it be on an apple, in a sandwich, or simply just a glob on a spoon. So, in light of this, I plan to teach you how to make a peanut butter and banana sandwich today. First, we'll gather some supplies and ingredients. Next, I will show you how to prepare the sandwich. And then last, we'll plate and serve it. So let's get started. First, we need to gather some supplies. Today, we'll be using a toaster, a knife, a spoon, and then some napkins, a plate, and finally, a cup of milk. Now that we have our ingredients, now that we have our utensils, let's get our ingredients together. For today's recipe, we're going to need some artesian bread, some bananas, and then some crunchy peanut butter. Which, on a side note, did you know that according to the U.S. Census, that this year alone, 297.06 million Americans have consumed peanut butter? Now that we have our supplies, let's start creating. First, we need to prepare our bread. I typically put the toaster on anywhere between 1 to 2 setting. We're going to go ahead and do that. And now while that is toasting, I'm going to go ahead and peel and slice our banana. For this part, I only use about half a banana per sandwich. And I just cut it into anywhere to about an inch thick. Which, while we wait for our toast to get done, I'll go ahead and slice up the rest of this banana just so that we have enough for our next sandwich. As I don't like the little end pieces, I'm going to throw this and peel it away. At this point, our bread is about done. Go ahead and pop it out. Has just a little bit of the browning to it. For this next part, we're going to get our crunchy peanut butter. I'm a peanut butter fanatic, so I'm going to get a big, huge glob. Go ahead and apply it to both sides of the bread. And now that this part's done, we're going to layer on the bananas to just one side of the bread. Place the top piece on top. And then we'll talk about cutting and serving. For mine, I typically like to cut mine into triangles, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And then I like to serve it with a cool glass of milk. Doesn't that just make you hungry? Today I taught you how to make a peanut butter and banana sandwich. First I told you the supplies and ingredients you would need. Next I showed you how to create it. And then lastly I showed you how to plate and serve it. Now doesn't that have a nice crunch to it, y'all?